Welcome to Stegback! In this quick guide, we'll show you how to assign a task on your seller dashboard. Once logged into the Stegback Seller Dashboard, go to the Task tab and select Add Task. This will bring you to the Assign a New Task page. Start by entering the task title, then set the assigned on date and choose the task's deadline. Next, select the task status and assign it to the relevant team. Enter the name of the person responsible for the task, select its priority level, and attach any necessary files such as documents, spreadsheets, images, or videos, as Stegback supports most formats. In the Task Details section, provide a full description of the task. For tasks involving multiple people, you can use the Add Collaborator option. Simply click Add Collaborator and fill in the required details for each additional participant. Click Submit to create the task. Once the task is created, you'll see three icons: View, Edit, and Delete. Click View to review or update the task status. Here you can access task information, use the chat feature for any questions, and add or update reviews. You can also add more collaborators by selecting Add Collaborator and entering their details. You can share files or comments in the chat. When the task is complete, update the task status to Completed when finished. Go to the Task tab to view all task details, including active, assigned, overdue, and completed tasks.